Alright, we got a tire replacement. So, he actually around the corner from the last cousin. Let's say right around the corner, like a couple houses down. So the guy was like, hey, how much you telling me to change out the tire? I was like, hey, I don't know, I'm not a tire guy. I was like, just give me what you can. And so at first, I was like, they give me the price of a used tire, $35. So he didn't say nothing. So then he was like, yeah, you'll have to wait 10 minutes. And I was like, all right, cool, $20. And he was like, $20 just to change out the tire. Yeah, cause you can't do it. Yeah. One thing I don't like, never be mad like somebody else. Pay it like, but you can go ahead and knock this out and be done with it. Have a good day. See y'all in the next one. Alright, well, got a new tire on. Had to end up using 2 jacks due to the other one was so low. And pumped up the back tire right here for him. Great tune right there. Got it off eBay. I forgot how much I paid for it. I can look at the history and see. But then I told him, I was like, see, you using getting free L. You sitting there crying about $20. But excuse me. COVID. But it's an actual tire guy in Albany. I don't know how much he charge. I don't even know the guy. But he actually comes out and repair tires and change out tires. Which I told the guy to hit me. And he was like, well, he know next time. And I was like, all right, it'll work. And that's it, y'all. So far, so good. 2-in-1 day. And, I didn't get paid for yesterday, man. Person ran off on me. Yeah, the catalytic converter lady. Ran off on me. But now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it out and the guy that recommended it. Cause he the one gave me the keys. I ain't never met the lady like I told him. I trust you. I know you. I don't know her. But he vouched for the lady. And we're in the mafia. So her not paying is him not paying, He vouched for her. He said she was good people. Turned out she wasn't good people. Ran off on me. I'll just, I'm gonna get paid. Trust me. I'm gonna get mine. Nah, it's all jokes. I ain't gonna put my hands on nobody about no money. You see? Perfect. And you also can set the settings on it. You can set it to like 36. I think I did 35. I'm gonna cut it off.